Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about how piston, connecting rod and crankshaft assembly on Honda gx160 engine works. First of all, let's see why is the assembly important and why should we care? Well, in the 21st century the machinery is all around us. Think about a car and your lawnmower you used to cut the grass with. What do they have in common? They are both powered by fuel, and if you provide them with fuel, they are able to convert its chemical energy into useful mechanical energy that can turn the wheels on the car and help us transport people or cut the grass without much effort. The assembly responsible for the conversion of these energies consists of three parts: piston head, connecting rod and crankshaft. Without these, house chores or transportation would look very different. First part of the assembly, called piston head, is situated in cylinder, which is referred to as combustion chamber. Piston head consists of piston rings which seal the chamber and piston pin where the connecting rod is attached. Connecting rod consists of small end bearing and big end bearing. The purpose of connecting rod is to connect the piston head to crankshaft. Okay, now but how does it actually work? Well, the fuel-air mixture is first delivered above the piston. When the piston is in top dead center, which is the highest position a piston can be at, the fuel above the piston is burned down under high pressures, which causes an explosion. This explosion is so strong it forces the piston into downward movement. This is where piston rings are important, as they keep all the pressure created by an explosion above the piston and all the oil that lubricates the assembly out of the combustion chamber. This downward movement forces the crankshaft into rotation along its axis. The inertia of the rotation is powerful enough to bring the piston to top dead center, down dead center and top dead center again, where another explosion occurs and the process can be repeated. This type of engine is called four-stroke engine, where crankshaft completes two full rotations around its axis for one explosion. The assembly effectively turns linear motion of piston into rotationary motion of crankshaft. Wheels, water pumps or chains can then be attached to the crankshaft to make use of that energy and to make our lives easier.